Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be learning how to do an advanced balloon sword. This is my design, I think. I haven't seen anyone doing this, but there are similar designs out there. If you wish to learn a simple sword, I'll be linking a video up here, which is a simple one balloon pirate sword over here. Alright, let's get started. First balloon, we're going to inflate a 260 long all the way to the end. Alright, so it's one whole balloon. And then we start twisting. We're going to bring those two ends together, then side by side. So make sure they are leveled. Alright, move on to the other end. Pull it. Okay, pull it tight. This part over here, pinch it, so let go. So this should be the center of the tube of the entire balloon. And twist it. So you get something like this. Alright, so I'm going to hold this part over here. If you let go, it might undo it by itself, so be careful. So you're going to hold it like this with your palms. You see, my fingers are kind of free. Just holding it with my palms. Going to twist. You can see my palms are holding to it. And I twist it like this. One round. So one to the front, one to the back. As far as I can go. I'm still doing it. You can see, I can no longer twist it anymore. So my fingers will be holding on to this part while I shift my palms up. You can see my palms are over here again, holding on to it while I move my fingers up again and twist more. Okay, so that is the action you want to be doing. So twist as far as you can, move up the palms, twist as far as you can, move up to the palms. Until you kind of master it, that is when you can do them simultaneously like this. Alright, if you can't do this, just do it slowly, as such. So palms, twist as far as you can, move up, twist them as far as you can, move up, twist them as far as you can, move up, twist them as far as you can, move up, and you keep repeating it until you kind of get a hang of it, and that's where you can do them simultaneously. Okay, if you move to the end, it should still be the same level if you twist one side more than the other like this. So if you constantly twist one side around, you will not reach the end equally. Alright, one will be longer than the other. So make sure you twist them with the same force. So you reach the twist top level. Alright, so you can do it now. So you can continue by twisting them together. So it's very simple. Just try to pinch them together like this and twist them. You see, I'm twisting them. They should form two bubbles. Don't worry about the size too much. As long as you lock them together, it should be pretty good. Alright, that's how you do the blade. So now let's move on to the handle. So put this aside first. So start with the nozzle again. So one bubble. Two bubbles. So this part over here, the nozzle, the knot, and this part over here. You bring them together, pinch them together, and twist. So twisting a few times. Carefully take the the nozzle, slot through in between two bubbles, through the other side. Alright. Then this part over here, and this part over here, top and the bottom. Bring them together. You can see I'm pinching them. Meet them as close as possible and twist. One clockwise, one anti-clockwise. Twist 3 to 5 rounds, and you should have 2 uniform pinch twists around the same size. Alright. So this knot over here, you can just kind of hide it at the bottom. It should be fine. Next on, I'm gonna move on to the handle. Usually I just use my hand as a gauge. I just place my palms over here and go as far as I can. So it's roughly around here, and I pinch it. This handle should fit most hands. Alright, so my hand, like the kids' hands, it should fit very well. And then, after you twist this, I'm gonna move on to the hilt. So this part over here, I'll do a slightly longer bubble, like a small sausage. You can see I'm holding on my pinky over here. Not letting go. If I let go, it will undo by itself. Alright, you don't want that to happen. So hold my pinky. It's too far for you to reach because we are going to be doing 4 bubbles. So I'm going to fold it in half. So reach for the end. So 1 bubble, 2 bubbles. Twist it more this time. 3 bubbles. Twist more because you are not going to be locking them. 4 bubbles. So, this part over here and this part over here, I'm going to bring them together and lock it. And see the bubbles here are not locked, so if you twist them too little, it might undo itself. Alright. Now do the same for the other side. So a longer sausage. 1 bubble. 2 bubbles. 3 bubbles. 4 bubbles. Same thing, this part over here and this part over here. Lock it. And you should have something like this. Alright. Now let's move on to the pinch twist. So this part over here, the 2 ends of the hilt, long sausage over here. These 2 bubbles over here, we are going to pinch twist them. So how to do a pinch twist? We're going to grab everything and just focus on this pinch twist over here, as you can see. So the main objective is to make this part over here, the knot over here, and this part over here, the bottom, meet together. So we're gonna slightly pull it, target lightly, and twist it. Okay, if you twist it halfway and let go, you'll return back to its original position. So you gotta commit and twist all the way 1 round, and twist a few more rounds after that, and it should stay like this. Alright, do the same for the other side. Pour it together, pull, and twist. You gotta commit and twist all the way. Alright. So that is the end of the handle. So this part over here, you can tear it off or take a scissors and snip off the end. If you wish to learn how to do this, I have linked a previous video of mine on how to tear a balloon on the top right. You can check it out. This part over here, just kind of slot through any one of the hilt and wrap it around so it's secure. Alright, so that's the handle. Now, let's move on. We'll take back your blade. We're going to attach these 2 bubbles over here into here. So how we're going to do it? We're going to take the softer one, whichever that's softer. So we're going to stretch this bubble over here. So take a softer one. So this is softer for me. I'm going to put it on the top of the hilt and stretch this bubble across and underneath. Alright, so stretch the bubble across and underneath 1 round. And it should be secured into the handle. Alright. Next, we're going to be adjusting it. So the bubble will be going down here. The blade, the long blade will be at the top, sitting in between these 2 bubbles over here. You can see? And the hilt, going to adjust everything. Make sure the decorations are at the bottom. And you can add any excess over here, just kind of hide it inside. You can't see it. And on the other end, if you don't like this nozzle, same thing, you can pull it to the back with tension, one round, and hide it inside. And you'll look a lot cleaner. Let's shift this part over here to the bottom so it's not so noticeable. So from the front, it looks cleaner. Then, just kind of shape the sword a little. Make sure it's all straight. And there we have it. This is my version of an advanced balloon sword. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. And if you wish to learn more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.